Good morning, Taylorsville 3rd grade. It's wonderful to be with you again. I hope that everybody is doing well and having a fantastic day. So we're going to start off this morning with a math lesson. So our math lesson for today is going to be about measuring length. Now for our objective, it will be I can measure length to the nearest half or fourth inch and use measurement data to make a line plot. So to start off, we're going to go ahead and talk about things that we already know, things that we've already learned. So you have learned already how to measure length to the nearest inch. But sometimes the length of an object is not a whole unit. For example, a paper clip is more than 1 inch, but less than 2 inches. So let's take a look. I'm going to move us down here. And here we have measuring length. And you can see that our paper clip here is, here we are. The paper clip is past the 1 inch mark, but it's not quite to the 2 inch mark. So what do we do when that happens? Because we can't say it's 1 inch and we can't say it's 2 inches. So we're going to talk about measuring to the nearest fourth of an inch or half of an inch. So I'm going to flip our camera back around and we are going to talk about how you can measure length to the nearest half inch or fourth inch. The half inch markings on a ruler, they divide each inch into 2 equal parts. The fourth inch markings divide each inch into 4 equal parts. So let's take a look again at our ruler here. Okay, we're going to take a look here at our ruler again, and we can see that I have marked each inch here, that's each marking here, each green marking is a fourth of an inch. So here we start off with 0.4 of an inch. This would be 1/4 of an inch. This would be 2/4 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch, and 4/4 of an inch, or 1 full inch. So again, this would be 1 and 1/4 of an inch, 1 and 2/4 of an inch, 1 and 3/4 of an inch, and 1 and 4/4 of an inch, which is the same as 1 inch plus another inch, which is 2 inches. Okay, so I marked off each of our fourth of an inch in green. But I marked our half inch markings in red. So our first red marking is 0.5 of an inch. Our second marking would be 1/2 of an inch. And this marking here, this red mark here, would be 2/2 of an inch, which is the same as 1 inch. So this would be over here, we would have 1 and 1/2 of an inch. And this, of course, we know is 2 inches. This would be 2.5 inches and 3 inches. So you can see that each half inch here divides the inch into 2 equal parts. All right, join me in our next video.